Hello and welcome to our video on Brum by Connor and Daniel. A paired decision was made to pick Brum and the Great Pizza Getaway, while we thought it would be a good idea to focus on while making our design technology project. Through some research we came up with a decision as we thought it would be a good idea to pick one of the scenes from this picture book. The page that we had chosen had Brum chasing a villain as he had pizza stolen from him which a friend made. Brum had chased this villain into the tunnel, and as he did he switched on his headlights. These headlights are also Brum's eyes. Therefore, we created that exact scene from the book and put materials into place like foam cardboard, syringes to create hydraulics, tube, water, light bulbs to create light for the headlights, paper mache to create the tunnel for Brum to go into, and of course batteries to complete the circuit. We of course use other essential items like scissors, paper, pen and pencil. From these materials we had created a working model which used hydraulics and electrical circuit as the systems. The project has met the criteria as we have designed it thoroughly with our initial thoughts and investigation designs. We produced our intentions on a paper with a sketch, and we have provided a rationale to prove why it was deemed a good idea to create. We then chose the correct materials which we thought would suit the project. An example of this would be foam cardboard for the car. This is because it's light and easy to use. It will be good as the car will move freely with the hydraulics. With the correct working materials, we then cut out everything and put it into place. This included using the correct techniques of the wire cutters and drills. Both these items were used for the electrical wiring to complete the circuit. After the project was made, we had then critiqued it in our design folio. This model would be of great use in the classroom as it demonstrates how good each system can be used and integrated into a simple, creative model. We had previously left the inside of the car open so we could use it as a teaching resource. By doing so, the students can see how the electrical circuit is completed and works, and as it needs to have a complete board with batteries and light bulbs. Not only can they see this, but they can also see how hydraulics is able to move the car back and forth, so when the car steps on the complete circuit, the light bulbs then switch on. From this, many lessons can be formed for students through a structured lesson plan. An example would be for students to create one of these systems into their own project, of course depending on their year level.
Our model works by pushing one syringe down so the other syringe, which is attached to the inside of the car, pushes against the foam wall we created. This causes the car to move forward. As the car moves forward, the wheels activate the electrical system to light up Brum's front headlights, just like in the storybook. The electrical system is activated once the car passes under the tunnel. The model we have created works exactly like a story from Brum's picture book.
Hydraulics and electronics were chosen as we had done some thorough research on them throughout the course readings. As a pair we were both interested in them and came to the decision to create the model with these systems in place. During the course of making the model we had a few issues that we had to overcome. When we first created the hydraulic system, the car wasn't moving very far at all and sometimes broke the inside wall of the car itself. We've therefore used a support beam to hold the structure and it then worked. It was also very difficult to cut out the cardboard foam, however we managed to fix this by using the tools that were provided at the UniSA Mawson Lakes campus. During this project we learnt how much creativity can go into two elegant systems of electronics and hydraulics. From this, as teachers, we can easily provide lessons that children will enjoy participating in as much as we have.